Hello! Now we are going to change Windows 10 to a mode called God mode. By default, Windows settings look like this in Windows 10. In normal cases, it does not matter, but sometimes you need to quickly access the Windows settings in the operating system. That's when you need to access the God mode quickly. We'll change the Windows settings to a new mode. What we need to do is move away from this look to this look. But how do we do that then? Well, that's what we will show you. So feel free to step into my office. Follow these steps to change the look or mode if you want. You only need 2 steps to change the mode. Step 1. Right-click anywhere on the desktop and create a new folder. Step 2. Name the folder with this code. And press Return key. As you can see, after you've pressed the Return key, the folder will automatically convert it to the God mode. That's all, my friends. Now you are in God mode and have access to all system settings in alphabetical order. I will scroll a bit so you can get an overview of what God mode looks like. If you think this video is good, support us by follow us in our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the like button, and press the bell button so you do not miss future releases on this channel. See you soon, fellow digital surfers.